Molly, are you nervous about moving? She tried to sit in my lap as best she could, but I don't really quite have a lap. I have to get back up and do more packing, Molly. I do. She says, please don't leave me, I'm nervous. Oh, sweetie pie. Can you hear purring? Oh, my chat alert. Oh, poor Molly. Poor Molly. She's a scared girl. She doesn't know why everything's getting packed up.